here I'm going to show you how to carry out a matrix operation called the transposition of matrix. So transpose means the element in a row will be converted to elements in a column. The same goes for elements in a column will become elements in a row. Let's look at example 1 here. If we are given a matrix A, 1, 0, 3 and 2, 4, 1, there are two rows here. When we transpose the matrix A, the elements in column row 1, 1, 0, 3 will become column 1. The same goes for row 2, 2, 4, 1 will become column 2, 2, 4, 1. That's all. Example 2. If B is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, 9, to transpose B, so what we do is to change 1, 2, 3 in row 1 become column 1, 2, 3 and then 4, 5, 6 will become the second column and row 3, 7, 8, 9 will become column 3. Okay? The next topic will be on addition of matrix. In order to carry out addition, make sure you have to know two things. Addition can only be carried out with elements in the same position and involve only the same type of matrix. In example 3, if you look at the first matrix, which is 2 by 2, the second matrix is also 2 by 2. 2 rows and 2 columns, right? So in order to add this matrix, we will take element 1, add to element 1 in the second matrix to give us the answer 3. The second element in matrix 1, add to the second element in matrix 2, right? So therefore we have 2 plus 0 will give us 2. The same goes for element 3 in matrix 1, add to element 3 in matrix 2, that will give us 3 plus 1 equals to 4. Next, we will take element 4, which is 4 plus element 4 in the second matrix, which is 3. So 4 plus 3 equals to 7. So let me show you another example. If we are given this type of matrix, which is 3 rows and 2 columns, you can add to another matrix which is 3 rows and 2 columns. So to add this matrix, we will take the first element, add to the first element of second matrix. So 1 plus 2 will give us 3. 3 plus 1 will give us 4. 0 plus 1, the answer is 1. 1 plus 3 equals to 4. 2 plus 4 equals to 6. And finally 0 plus 2 equals to 2. So how about subtraction? The subtraction of two matrices follow the same rules as addition. So when we subtract a matrix, it must involve elements in the same position and same type of matrix. Example 5, we have a matrix 2 by 2 here, minus another matrix of the same type, which is 2 by 2. So in order to subtract these two matrices, so we'll take the first element minus the first element in the second matrix. So 1 minus 2 will give us negative 1. The second element in matrix 1, 2 minus the second element in matrix 2. So 2 minus 0 will give us 2. The same goes for 3 minus 1 will give us 2. And finally 4 minus 3 will give us 1. Example 6. So we will take the first element in matrix 1 minus first element in matrix 2. So 1 minus 2 equals to negative 1. The same goes for 3 minus 1 will give us 2. 0 minus 1 equals to negative 1. 1 minus 3 equals to negative 2. 2 minus 4 equals to negative 2. And 0 minus 2 equals to negative 2. So let's move to multiplication of matrix. In in order to multiply two matrices, alright, every element must be multiplied with that scalar. Alright, we are going to multiply a number. For example, if we are asked, we are given matrix A equals 1, 2, 3, 4, and we are asked to find the value of 2A. So 2A means we take 2 times the matrix A. So 2 is a scalar here. So in order to multiply a matrix with a scalar, we will take the scalar, multiply all the elements in the matrix. So we take 2 times 1 to give us 2, 2 times 2 equals to 4, 2 times 3 equals to 6, and 2 times 4 equals to 8. Look at example 8 now. In this example, we are asked to find the answer for 3B. So we are given the matrix B, which is a 3 by 3 matrix. So in order to find 3B, we take the scalar 3, multiply by all the elements in the matrix B. So 3 times 1 will give us 3. 3 times 0 equals 0. 3 times 2 equals 6. 3 times 2 equals 6. 3 times 1 equals 3. 3 times 4 equals 12. 3 times 3 equals 9, 3 times 1 equals 3, and finally 3 times 0 equals to